Right, everyone, and good morning. Right, today another new lesson. What's the lesson? Now let's talk indicises. Indicises. Let's learn indicises. Here, have you heard this lesson? Indicises. Here, very important lesson. If you learn mathematics, you should know what is indices means. Okay, for example, here I have written this number. Right, how many times I have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 times you can written this number, and how many times? 6 times. Then in your right hand side, 2 to the power 6, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the power 6. Then not only numbers, symbols also. A into A into A. How many times have I written? A, I have written 3 times here, 3. Here, this is indicises 2 to the power 6, A to the power 3. Then both numbers and symbols also. 3 into 3, x into b into b. Here 3 has written 3 to the power 2, x has written x to the power 2, b has written b to the power 3 times here. Then a to the power 3, here this we call a to the power 3. A is, we name base. This is indices. Both base and indices called power. This is power. Here I have written in expand form. No, can write the shortened form. Here this is expand form. This is shortened form. It is very easy to write shortened form. No, someone have written this 2 to the power 2 x to the power 2 y. Here then when we write the expand form, 2 into x into y, no? When expand this, because 2 to the power 1, not 1 are there, but you should know only one time. Then 4, a to the power 2, b to the power 3. The meaning of this is, when expand this, 4 into a into b into b. Right, 3 times. When expand this. Right, however, you should know when this is expand form, this is shortened form. Right. Then here, then 2 to the power 1 means, what is this 2 to the power 1? This is 2, no? The value is 2. Then 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2, no? Twice, no? Then answer is 4. Then 2 to the power 3. Then 2 to the power 3 is 2. 3 times multiply, no? Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Then 4 into 2, 8. Then 2 to the power 4 means 2 should multiply by 4 times, no? 2 should multiply by 4 times. Then 16. Right? Then 2 to the power 5, 2 into 2. Then 16 into 2, what's the value? 32. Okay, now copy down this. Right, did you write this? Now 2 to the power 6. Right, 2 to the power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 into here 6 times, no? Then 32 into 2, 64. Then 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 7 means 2 should multiply by 7 times. Then 6 into 2, 128. Then 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 8 means 2 should multiply by 8 times. Then 128 into 2, 256. Then 2 to the power 9, 2 should multiply by 9 times. Then 256 into 2, 512. Then 2 to the power 10, can you see this? 2 to the power 10 means 2 should multiply by 10 times. Then 5 to 8 into 2, 1024. Understand? Right, the same one. 3 to the power 1 means 3, no? 3 to the power 2, 3 should multiply by 2 times. 3 to the power 2, not 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 to the power 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Then 9 into 3, 27. Then 3 to the power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then 27 into 3, 81. Yes. 3 to the power 5, 3 should multiply by 5 times. 8 into 1, 243. Yes. 3 to the power 6 means 3 should multiply by 6 times. 243 into 3, 729. Right? You should know very well this. Right. Another one. Another. Right. 4 to the power 1 means 4. 4 to the power 2, 4 into 4. Then 4 into 4, 16. 4 to the power 3, 4 into 4 into 4. Then 16 into 4, 64. Then 4 to the power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Then 64 into 256. Then 4 to the power 5, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 256 into 4, 1024. Right? 4 to the power 5. Then 5 to the power 1, 5. 5 to the power 2, 5 into 5, 25. 5 to the power 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Then 25 into 5, 125. 5 to the power 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 125 into 5, 625. That's enough. Then 6 to the power 1. 6 to the power 1 means 6. 6 to the power 2, 6 into 6, 36. 6 to the power 3, 6 into 6 into 6. Right, 36 into 6, 36, 260. Again 7. 7 to the power 1, 7. 7 to the power 2, 7 into 7. 7 into 7, 49. 7 to the power 3, 7 into 7 into 7. 9 into 7, 63. 7 into 4, 28. 34, 343. Right? Now 8 to the power 1, 8. 8 to the power 2, 8 into 8, 64. Now 8 to the power 3, 8 into 8 into 8. Now 64 into 8, 32, 512. Right? Then power of 9. 9 to the power 1, 9. 9 to the power 2, 9 into 9, 81. 9 to the power 3, 9 into 9 into 9, 729. Right. The power of 10 here. 10 to the power 1, 10. 10 to the power 2, 10 into 10, 100. Right. 10 to the power 3, 10 into 10 into 10. Then 1000. Right. 1000. Right. Understand? 1000. Okay. Then using this they have given 64. The 64 is a number, no? 64 here they have given this. Then what is this? Now 64, how can we write using this? 64 can write 2 to the power 6 And also 64 can 4 to the power 3, no? 64. You should know this. Right. Again, 729. Here 3, 9. Right. Tell me. 729, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729. 6, no? 3 to the power 6. 9, 9 to the power 3, no? Nine to the power 3. Yes, you should know this. Right. Okay. Then, my dear students, now you should know this about indices. Right. There are laws of indices. Laws of indices. Laws of indices. The first law is multiplication of indices. It means x to the power 3 multiply x to the power 2. Now can you see here the base is x. The base is x. Base is equal, no? X and indices are there. Here the middle one is multiplication. When base are equal, you can add this. You can add this indices. 2 plus 3 plus 2, 5. X to the power 5. Understand? Another one. 2 to the power 2, a to the power 5, 2 to the power 3, a to the power 2. Here 2 and 2 same base, no? Then 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. Here a and same base, a to the power 2. Then here same base, you can add this 2 plus 3. Here this a, 5 plus 2. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then the value of 2 to the power 5 is 32. A to the power 7. This is the answer. Multiplication of indices. You should know this indices when the base is equal. When base is equal and multiplication, add this indices. Then the second law is division of indices. Division of indices. Division of indices. For example, x to the power 7 divided by x to the power 2. Now you can see this base is equal, but division. When division are there, what can you do? The indices must subtract, no? X 7 minus 2, because division, when subtract 7 minus 2, 5. X to the power 5. X to the power 5. Another one. A to the power 3 multiply a to the power 5 divide by a to the power 2. Right here, this is numerator, this is denominator. The numerator there, here same base, you can add 3 plus 5. Here a to the power 2. Now 3 plus 5, 8. 8 to the power 2. Base is equal division. Now a, 8 minus 2, a to the power 6. This is division method. Right? Division method. I know you can do this, right? When base is equal. Another example, 2x to the power 2, 3x to the power 5 divided by 3x to the power 2. Right, here the whole number 2 into 3, 6. 2 plus 5, 7. X to the power 7 divided by 3x to the power 2. Now you can simplify 3, 1, 6, 2. 2x 7 minus 2, 5 to the x to the power 5. Right? Okay. This is division of indices. Next one, power of indices. For example, x to the power 2 brackets 3 are there. Here, if like this, what can we do? Yes, multiply, no? 2 and 3. When 2 and 3, when multiply 2 and 3, x 2 multiplied by 3, 2 into 3, 6, x to the power 6. This is the answer. Another one, a to the power 3, here a to the power 3, 3. Then here brackets, no? You can multiply 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9. Right? I know you can. When brackets are there, multiply. Right. Then multiplication of powers. Like this. 2x to the power 2 brackets 3 here. Then two bases are there, no? Here the indices is 1. Here x to the power 2. When like this, this 3 include this both. Then 1 into 3, then 2 into 3. Right? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Now you can get the value 2 to the power 3, 8, 6. Understand? Right. Another one. 3 to the power 2, 8 to the power 5 and 2. Then both 3, 2 multiply 2, 5 multiply 2, then 3, 4, 3 to the power 4, 8 to the power 10. The value of 3 to the power 4, 81, no? 81, 8 to the power 10. Yes, answer. Right? Next one, negative indices. Negative indices. Right, here x to the power minus 3. When negative indices are there, you should convert into the positive indices. Here this is negative indices. Right. Then when convert this, here the negative no, and here the numerator 1 and denominator goes here x to the power 3. Here this is positive indices. This also numerator 1 goes here denominator a to the power 5. Right? When here x to the power 2, here this is negative indices, this convert to the positive indices, this goes numerator and here 1 goes here, x to the power 2, reciprocal. Understand? This is negative indices. Then null indices. The null indices means x to the power 0. Here always the power is 0, indices is 0, answer is 1. Then 100 to the power 0, answer is 1. You should know this, right? Here you should know this. Right, here now today we discuss about indices. Then using this, do this homework. Do this homework. First one, six A2. Sixth one. Okay, write down. Write down. Right. The sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth one. 10th one, Okay. Answer it. Do this at home. Right. 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 Can you complete this? Okay. Today we discuss about indices and also the laws of indices. Then try to complete this at home. Then let's finish. I'm very tired now. Now let's finish today. Right. Okay. Let's meet next day. Till then, goodbye all of you. I go on.